Hey everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with Key. This is your girl Key, and in this video, I'm coming to you with 10 tips on being a small YouTuber. These are just things that I have noticed that made me grow and made me glow as a YouTuber. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I'm still a small YouTuber, but these are just things that I have learned over time. 10 tips. So if you would like to hear my 10 tips, go ahead, stay tuned. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. So my first tip, and yes, I will be looking down because I have my notepad, and I want this to be as authentic as it can be. I want it to be very real because a lot of times we keep getting these people that tell us to do this, to do that, do this, do that, but to their own benefit. So no, I just want to come to you as authentic as possible. So tip number one. So tip number one for me is there is no right or wrong way. Stop going with the status quo. In order for you to build your own brand, you have to take your own journey, if that makes sense. Like, I feel that I was trying to do things like every other YouTuber told me how to do it. Like, they was like, oh, do this, do that, do this, do that. And it was not working for me. And I'm like, why isn't it working? They say this is the algorithm of YouTube, but it's not. It's not working for me. Not that way. So tip number one, like I said, there is no right or wrong way. Period. Now, tip number two. No sub for sub. No sub for sub. The reason why I say no sub for sub is because there's a lot of rumors. It's rumors that subs, they don't sub back, or they sub back for 5 minutes and then they don't, they take away their sub. Then there's a rumor that YouTube takes away your sub for subs. At first, I was thinking it was beneficial because I seen my subscribers grow. However, I started noticing a major loss in subscribers at the same time. So I stopped doing the sub for sub thing because you have to realize the person that you're subbing to wants you to subscribe to their channel, and you want them to subscribe to your channel. However, it's like you both are aiming for the same thing, but you're not going to get the same results. That person is going to end up being a ghost follower, and they're not going to give you any views. So they're not going to count anyway. So I always say for subscribers, quality over quantity. So some people buy their subscribers. So don't always believe the hype. Just let it grow and be patient. So number three, watch and understand the analytics. So if you do not understand the analytics, there are a lot of YouTube videos out there to help you understand the analytics. I at first did not do this, but the analytics are very, very important. They help you find your niche. It really tells you what your audience wants to see from you. So it tells you what videos rated the best, what videos are basically gonna be your niche, because at this point we're finding our niche. Some people start off with niches, but I could say that I have 3 niches, and that's lifestyle, wellness, self-care, and then probably recipes, kind of. But recipes also can go under lifestyle or wellness, if that makes sense. But yeah, like, try not to start off with a niche, but kind of have a niche, if you know what I'm saying, just so you can know or you can follow which videos your subscribers or your viewers are viewing the most. What is your audience looking for? So you want to look and see what type of audience you have. It actually shows you that. So if you want some great analytics and to find out where you can look at your analytics, you can download YouTube Studio. You can also get TubeBuddy, but there's a great like paid version of TubeBuddy. I haven't paid for it yet. I just use the analytics. And also you want to make sure you use a lot of keywords, because in the analytics it tells you what people search in order to get to your video. So dive into those analytics. So number 4, push out quality content and thumbnails. You want to make sure that it doesn't have to be like the best, the clearest, the best camera, all that type of stuff at first. But you want to make sure you have quality content. You want to make sure, like, I know I have a lot of mistakes in my videos. I'm definitely not perfect, but you want to make sure that your thumbnails especially like attract people. Like what attracts you, and that's like minimal words, not a lot of words, emojis, and words that relate to the video but aren't always the title of the video. I right now put the title because I'm a very organized person, but I am learning to put more things into my thumbnail that will keep people guessing and clicking on my video. Number 5, you want to create, this is something that I still struggle with, but you want to create a schedule and be consistent. So this week I'm actually behind, but you want to create a content schedule, or you want to make a schedule or create a schedule during the week. One thing I have noticed is that I tend to not subscribe to people that upload videos all the time. Like it's constant upload. That's annoying. Like, that makes you really want to unsubscribe. But yeah, don't keep uploading. Just have like certain days that you upload. Like my upload days are Tuesdays and Saturdays. So I upload twice a week. However, if you're not a big YouTuber yet, please don't keep uploading a whole bunch of videos, because it's not giving your subscribers time to actually watch your content. And you ask questions like, why am I getting 10 views? Why am I getting 2 views? We haven't had time to catch up on any of the videos, and you're like uploading like 8 in a day. No, no. Like, give us some time to comment, give us some time to, actually watch the video. Now, number 6, you want to study the trends. What trends are happening in your niche right now? So as for me, right now, like for wellness, lifestyle, especially lifestyle. For lifestyle, a lot of people like hauls and home hauls and apartment hauls. Like my apartment tour did wonderful. And actually my skincare and nighttime routine is actually doing better than that video, even though it doesn't have as many views as the other video, as the apartment video. It's actually ranking better. We're comparing when you're comparing the time frame. However, like I studied the trends. I was like, okay, what trends are going along with beauty right now or wellness? And that will be skin routines, nighttime routines. Study your trends before you come out with the video, and make a plan. Plan when you're going to come out with each and every video. So for instance, I already know what videos I'm going to knock out next week. Have a plan and schedule out all of those videos. Number 7, do not sweat the small stuff. Stop watching your views. Stop watching your subs. Like, I had to tell myself this so many times. Like, look here, why are you watching your views? Why are you watching your subs? People are going to naturally come to your channel. They're going to search for your channel because it's a trending topic. No matter what happens with this video, you put it up. So be proud of that video and stop worrying about who's subscribing, who unsubscribed, who didn't view, who didn't comment. Just put that video up, Pooh. That's it. Just put it up. And let the chips fall where they may. If that video wasn't successful, put another one out. That's about it. Cut the sweat. Don't sweat over it. Subscribers will come, and one thing I keep telling you is, like, I can't stress it enough. You want quality subscribers. So in order to get that, you have to be patient. Do not buy subscribers. Do not believe that everybody has 1,000,001 subscribers. Don't believe the hype. Just enjoy your journey of being a small YouTuber. So that brings me to number 8. Create catchy trailers. So you want to promote your YouTube channel. In order to do that, you want to make sure you create some type of trailers. I see a lot of people not doing this, and they just post up, click link in bio and Instagram. They post up in Facebook, here's my YouTube video. Actually create a trailer that is going to play in YouTube that's gonna actually get people to watch your content. Because a lot of times, us, like, the world is lazy. We're very, very lazy. So if I cannot just click on that link and I gotta go to your bio in order to click the link, 9 times out of 10, I am not gonna click it. I'm gonna be so honest. I am not gonna click it. If you do not send me that link personally, I am not gonna click it. So create a catchy trailer, post it on your Instagram, post it on your Facebook, post it in your Instagram story, Twitter, whatever you use, post it there. But when you post a trailer, it gives people a thing to see, like, what comes next. Like, to me, at the movies, the trailers are the best part. Like, I go to the movies to see the trailers because I want to know what's coming out soon, so I can have another reason to go to the movies. So therefore, create that trailer. Stop being lazy. Create that trailer. Seriously. Period. All right. Number 9, you want to network. Find a group of friends that are YouTubers also, and do not rely on them to be your subscribers, because they are working hard to share their stuff and share their content. And I'm not saying don't share their content, but what I'm saying is it's very hard for you to have a YouTube group and share everyone's content, your content, all that stuff. No, you need a YouTube group to relate to talk about your problems. There's a lot of, like, Facebook groups that's out there that are really, really, really good that I have joined. However, if the Facebook group has a whole bunch of sub for sub, don't even join it. Just being honest with you, it's just gonna be a whole bunch of arguing, and only join the ones that are just truly giving you watch time and just truly just relate to you. There are many YouTube groups on Facebook that relate to certain people. So join a Facebook group, create your own group, find some people on Instagram that do the same thing, but just make sure you set clear boundaries and expectations for why you're joining that group. Number 10, be willing to evolve. So you want to be able to change what you have, because your audience is going to ask you for different things. For example, I have a subscriber that asked me to do cleaning routines, And I didn't even think I was good at the cleaning thing. And truthfully, I'm be honest, I watch cleaning videos all the time. So therefore, guess what I am going to do for him? I am going to do a clean with me in the future. I have that already planned. Like, be willing to change. I thought this whole channel was just going to be about beauty. It was going to be about wellness. It was going to be about hygiene, femininity. No. Everybody is like falling in love with my home. So I got to do hauls. I got to do, decorate with me. I got to do clean with me. Also recipes. So it's just like, be willing to change, and I'm happy and glad that I am willing to change. So that is my 10 tips. However, before I go, I want to give you 2 bonus, and one is celebrate your small wins. If you get 100 subscribers, yay! You get 1,000, yay! I'm claiming 10,000, yay! Celebrate the small wins. Every 2 subs, celebrate, treat yourself, be proud of you and what you are doing. Every 2 views, don't worry about them, but celebrate it, and truly celebrate it, truly celebrate it. Another major key that a lot of people forget: talk to your subscribers. You are not a big YouTuber yet. And I'm not saying that big time YouTubers don't talk to their subscribers, but 9 times out of 10, they kind of don't. But we are not there yet. So get into the mode of relating to your subscribers and talking to them. That's why I like to tell all of my subscribers, open up, give me some dialogue, because I like to talk to people. If you're a small YouTuber and you watch this video, go ahead and comment down below some tips that you feel that you found useful being a small YouTuber that you thought that I should have included, or just let's talk about how it really is being a small YouTuber. Other thing, if you are not a small YouTuber but you're thinking about becoming a YouTuber, go ahead and take that leap. All it takes is your phone. Please don't buy that fancy camera. Just get a tripod, get a ring light, Amazon, your phone, and record, okay? Because you might have something important to say, and reaching out to at least one person, as long as you reach that one person and your message got through to them, that's awesome. So remember, it is quality over quantity, guys, not a big deal. So go ahead, comment, and subscribe if you have not. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and comment down below. But I just thought that this needed to be said. I feel like a big weight has been lifted off my shoulders. I feel free. But thank you so much for tuning in to Locked In with Key. This is your girl, Key. Thanks again. Bye until next time. You guys be blessed. Remember, you can subscribe right here. You can go to other videos right here. Love you.